Hello. Today I am fix camera going to be building my computer. So I have all the parts finally because I've been planning this for a good while now. Let me list out my parts. We have the case. I put the stickers on it already. Put the power supply in the case already. We have the RAM here, the XR8 gaming. We have the Ryzen 5 processor, 5600G for gaming because I don't have a graphics card just yet. I have the SSD, the TEAMGROUP, 1TB. Have the flash drive, what Windows 10 is on. We have the motherboard, the Ryzen motherboard, AMD P550M, PRO-VDH Wi-Fi motherboard, where all the components is going to go on. And I think it's about due time to start because I came home since I was after 4 and now it's 6 o'clock. As you can see there, you can't really see there, but yeah, it's 6 o'clock. Time to start. Okay, so this is the motherboard. Going to start to put parts into place here, put things aside. So take this thing jiggy out of the box, which is the processor. This is the processor here. This is the cooler. Okay, so motherboard now. Going to install the RAM, the CPU, the SSD. Okay, so processor installed, the RAM is installed, the CPU is installed, and now it's time to install the cooler. Okay, so the thermal paste on. Right, so the thermal paste is installed, and now the cooler fan has to be installed. A million tries and watching a few YouTube videos, I realized where I was going wrong in installing the fan. I was facing it to the wrong direction. And, okay. And see if it's voila, success. Alright, so there, plug in the CPU fan, which is installed now. Plug will, yes, and I'm doing the cable management. I'll fix up that. Alright, so now time for the SSD installation. Yeah, come closer please, camera woman. I put it in here. Make sure it gets a little click like that. So you rest it down. From there, I thought I misplaced the score. Yeah, that's what do. Okay. Oh, right, so the SSD is down. Let's press it down there. stop throwing down things on the board, boy. Right. So SSD successfully installed. So this SSD is installed, the RAM is installed, the fan and the CPU is installed. So from there, it's time to put the thing in the case. But I need to raise the case. And where could I put the motherboard by the time? That nothing went damage. Right, so this is the IO shield where display port, HDMI, your USB, your LAN cable, all the different peripherals could go in, and that's to go into this part here. Just take my time so I don't cut myself. Surely don't see no blood on no video, so I'm gonna behave myself and try to put it in as safe as remotely possible. I think that's it. Wonderful. Alright, pause. This big thing here is the power supply. So this goes into the case from this side. From there to line it up properly. Taking the 4 screws that came with it, and you carefully wait a minute. Okay, so you just okay, cool. Who do you think you are? Living in a small world. Hey. Shuffle away. Right. One down. And put it left right for equal pressure. Okay, just a minute. Wait a second. I think it's here. Put it. It's on the screw for maximizeness. So that's two screw here. Let's go here. Right, on the final screw here. Alright, so that is the CPU installed, the IO shield installed. I built. But turn off the light with this. If you say you can't do nothing, YouTube University. Thank me later.